The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Super Sorter.
You will need 3 to 4 types of pulses, a plate, and 3 to 4 bowls. Children don't need fancy or special toys to enhance concentration, sitting span, and fine motor skills. Your kitchen ingredients can help them just the same. So let's get sorting. Prepare a plate of mixed pulses of different sizes, like black-eyed beans, black pulses, chickpeas, groundnut, etc., and give it to your child. Assign 1 pulse to 1 bowl. Ask your child to sort the pulses. Observe what techniques your child uses while sorting. The next time you are cleaning pulses at home, ask help from your little one. Bravo! You are now a super sorter.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment and share.